Okay, we're here, Houston Motorsports Park, and we got our man. Oh, he already. Oh, look at that. Wait, do it again, cause that background with the sunset and everything. Oh yeah, looking great. That's going. That's profile pic worthy right there. If you guys remember, this is Matt. He has the other Trans Am that's black that's getting the Coyote.
I'm gonna have to paint it.
We got to remind everyone every single video because it doesn't seem like it makes a difference.
Yeah. No, it is not the same car.
This is not a Coyote car. This is the DLS platform. His is the Coyote car.
All wishes.
Yeah, okay. So we're out here. Man, everyone was supposed to come out. It's just, I'm glad you're here because dude, I would have just went home because I can't pack the parachute and I got nobody here.
That's what we see. And right there, what we're making is a Coyote pack.
Yeah. Oh God, you got me with the Coyote pack. We're only gonna make like one pass, maybe two. The first pass, I've tightened the front. I gave it some timing. It should do three things. It's either gonna go real fast, it's gonna pick up the wheels, or it's gonna blow the tires off. Either way, but I have to know, you know, I have to figure it out. It's one of those things you're testing. You gotta know, can you do this? Yeah. Then you kind of know the limits of the car. So we're ready, we got the tire pressure set, we got CO2 on, ice in the car. Unfortunately, nobody else could make it, so it's just me driving. So we're gonna get in the lanes. There's literally nobody here today. Yeah. Like straight
apparently
lanes.
They think the World Series is important to watch.
Oh yeah, it's today, huh? Oh. Go Astros, but also go 4 seconds today. Yeah,
right, exactly. That'd be better than the World Series.
Right, yeah, that would be.
Come on, 4 seconds.
All right, let's get in this thing and we'll make a lick, see what happens. So they got some cleanup going on. What?
What's up?
Oh, I'm just talking into the camera.
I forget you. You got a camera.
Looks like they're gonna do some cleanup. I don't know what lane. Man, I forgot to record it for you guys inside. I got so caught up with the cleaning stuff that I didn't press record again. New personal best. New personal best. Yes. The car is moving in the last hole. It worked. They stuck. Oh man, we're gonna have some fun. Yeah. Check that out. 126 60 foot. My God. Back in the 1.2s finally. 5.2, that's our personal best ET. 146 mile per hour. Good God. That's that. Okay, now understand our personal best has been 5.4 at 138.
5:28.
What do you think we ran? Oh, you saw the was it no time?
No, it was no time. I said 5:28.
5.2. What's the mile per hour?
146.
It was the lights on, was it?
No.
146.
I'm a bad dude. Take me to Vegas. There was no time. There was no time.
Oh, that's a miracle. 5.2, 146 gets the 60 foot.
Right off the trail.
We haven't been able to cut faster than a 131 so far this year.
127.
126.
126.
I ordered a good 3.
126. 5.2, 146 miles per hour. That's
dude, it looked good.
That's almost PB on everything except the 60. We've been 121 before. Yes.
It looked like
she needed power.
It worked, bro. It worked.
Job.
It worked.
Hey, now we give it more power.
Yeah, well, that's what I was gonna ask. How much did it pick the wheels up?
I didn't even look.
I have
we got videos and stuff.
Yeah, because if it didn't,
I don't think it did.
we can bring boost in. Well, I didn't even touch the boost.
Yeah, dude, she
It lifted the tires a little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah.
I was tempted just to leave it alone.
Yeah. Well, could you put more in the big end or like mid track?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what you're using.
Yes.
Because yeah, you.
I'd have to look at the log, but I'm pretty sure that was 29 pounds. That's it. What more can I ask more than that?
Wrap it up. Let's go.
Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up there because there's no point in doing anything more here. We'll leave it for Dallas. Might be the grudge racing stuff. Outlaw. Go get you some action.
Fresh, not frozen. HMP, baby. Best corn dogs in the series.
Hold them up like you got them. I'll Photoshop them in. Corn dogs. Adventure corn dogs. Feeling ever when you do that. Let me tell you from experience, when you dust the tires off like that. So we're just hanging out watching some racing a little bit. I gotta fill in some time because it was one hit, so there's not a whole lot of time in the video, but we're gonna fill in some time from watching some racing, so keep watching. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap it up here because someone laid some stuff down on the track and it's been shut down for quite a while. We didn't get to watch any racing. So that's it on it. Not too big of an eventful night, but big enough for me. I got some great data. I made a good pass. I'm super excited for Streetcar Takeover, so we're gonna end it here and go home, clean the car up, and get some rest. It's gonna be a fun next weekend for sure. That last pass, that pass I made today, we didn't hit full boost till about 3.5 seconds in. And that's by design because I'm trying to work my way into making this car faster. So we got our 60 foot down. It improved our 8th mile time. We're mile per hour like crazy. And now we can bring boost in. We can bring boost in just a little sooner to be able to get some more ETs. We will be at Streetcar Takeover. If you want to see the bullet, come out, come say hi. We're gonna have merch on us as well. If you're looking for any shirts, we'll have that in stock at the event. And we'll be making some passes.